Hello students, today we are going to discuss chemistry in everyday life. I have selected this problem from the Excel Academy where success is predefined. So dear students, let us try to go with the question number 1. Histamines causes. Question number 1 is histamine causes. Histamines are the allergic causing. They are the protein student. They cause the allergy. So histamine causes allergy. So correct option is option number 3rd. Now let us move next question number 2. Enzyme which are crucial to communication system in bodies are called enzyme which are crucial to communication system in body are called receptors. Okay, so receptors, okay, enzymes which are crucial to communication system in the body are called receptors. Okay, so that is option number 3rd is correct. Enzyme which are crucial to communication system in body are called receptors. Which drugs, drugs which do not bind to active site bind to another site, such site are called allosteric site. Option number 1 is correct. So if they are not binding with the receptor site, okay, then what site, that is if you are binding another site, that is what allosteric site. Drugs which do not bind to active site bind to another site, such site is called receptors. Another site is called allosteric site. Okay, it is called, that is allosteric site. You keep in mind, student, they distort the shape of the receptor. Now an enzyme in the body can be blocked permanently. An enzyme in the body can be blocked permanently by if if covalent bond between enzyme and inhibitor is strong. So if the between enzyme and inhibitor bond are strong, in that case an enzyme in the body can be blocked permanently. Option number 3rd is correct. An enzyme in the body can be blocked permanently if covalent bond between enzyme and inhibitor is strong. Antagonists are the drug that bind to receptor and inhibit its natural function is antagonist, useful to block the messenger site. That is also correct. 1 and 2 are correct. So correct option is option number 4. Chemical messenger is wrong. Next one, antagonists are the drugs that bind to the receptor and inhibit the natural function, useful to block the messenger site. No. In human body, if natural chemicals messenger are absent, then agonists are used. In human body, if natural chemical messengers are absent, then agonists are used. In human body, if natural chemical messengers are absent, agonists are used. Tegament prescribed by the doctors is superior than a metal hydroxide to decrease the acidity. So if you see a tegament, student, it prevents the interaction of histamine with receptor. It makes stomach wall to release less amount of acid. So both are correct, student. Okay, so option number 3rd is correct, both 1 and 2. So tegament prescribed for the 2 reasons. Firstly, it allow the wall of stomach to release less acid, and secondly it prevent the interaction of histamine with the receptors. So tegament prescribed by doctors is superior than the metal hydroxide to decrease acidity because it prevent interaction of histamine with receptor and it makes stomach wall to release less amount of acid. Among the following antihistamines are dimetap. If you see, dimetap and celadon is the antihistamine. Dimetap and celadon are they are the antihistamine. So correct option is option number 1. Here you can see A and B both are correct, right? So antihistamines are dimetap and celadon. Inactive function of noradrenaline cause inactive function of noradrenaline cause depression. So if the level of the adrenaline is decreased, so it will causes the depression. So inactive function of noradrenaline causes the depression. Option number 2. The drug is used to relieve hypertension is. The drug is used to relieve hypertension is. So Equanil is the drugs which relieve hypertension. The drugs is used to relieve hypertension is Equanil. Which of the following is barbiturates? Barbiturates. So that is amytal, neem-butyl, luminal, and vironal. They all are the butirates, student. They are the all butirates. Barbiturates are amytal, neem-butyl, luminals, and vironals. They are the drugs used for the high pain. Which of the following structure is narcotic analgesics? Narcotic analgesics. So that is heroin structures is narcotic analgesics. Narcotic analgesic structure is heroin structure. Among the following antibiotics, bactericidal is. Among the following antibiotics, bactericidal is, that is option number 3, aminoglycosides, okay, are the bactericidals. Next one, the antibiotic which is effective against the gram positive and gram negative bacteria is antibiotic. So that is broad spectrum antibiotics. The antibiotic which is effective against gram positive and gram negative, so that is narrow spectrum, not narrow, student. This is the broad spectrum antibiotic, okay, not narrow. So here little wrong spelling is given. The antibiotic which is effective against gram positive and gram negative bacteria is broad spectrum antibiotic. The antibiotic which is effective against gram positive and gram negative bacteria is broad spectrum antibiotic. Option number 2. Option number 1 is correct, student. Option number 1. Okay. So whatever they have given in this one, this is the wrong. Strains of cancer cell can be suppressed by. Strains of cancer cell can be suppressed by dicydagirine. Strains of cancer cell can be suppressed by dicydagirine. Which of the following can act as a disinfectant? So 1% solution of phenol can act as a disinfectant. Novestrol is a drugs used in the anti-fertility drugs. Novestrol is a drugs used as anti-fertility drug. Novestrol is a drugs used in the anti-fertility. Orthosulfobenzamide are artificial sweetener. How many times it is sweeter than the comparing to cane sugar? So it is the 550 time. It is the orthosulfobenzamide is more sweeter than the cane sugar. A methyl ester of the dipeptide is formed from the aspartic acid and phenylalanine. It is a methyl ester of dipeptide is formed from aspartic acid and phenylalanine is, that is aspartame. A methyl ester of dipeptide is formed from the aspartic acid and phenylalanine is aspartame. Option number 4. A methyl ester is dipeptide. It is formed from the aspartic acid and phenylalanine. It is the aspartame. The advantage of artificial sweetening agent is. The advantage of artificial sweetening agent is excreted as it is in urine. Okay, so it is not giving calories, student. It is not giving calories, only it is giving sweet. It gives extra energy, wrong. More glucose, to wrong. Maintain sugar level in body, that is all wrong. Excreted as a urine. The advantage of artificial sweetening agent is excreted as it is in urine. Transparent soap are prescribed by. Transparent soap are prescribed by dissolving soap in alcohols, then evaporating excess of solvent. Dissolving soap in alcohol, then evaporating excess of solvent. This is what is known as transport soap are prescribed. Okay, so transport soap are prescribed by dissolving soap in alcohol, then evaporating excess of solvent. Rapid drying of soap can be prevented by adding glycerol. Rapid drying of soap can be prevented by adding glycerol. Okay, so option number 1 is correct. Which of the following is correct about synthetic detergent? Which of the following is correct about synthetic detergent? They have the properties of soap. They do not contain any soap. These can be used both soft and hard water. So all of these are correct, student. 1, 2, 3 are correct. So that is what. Cetyl trimethyl ammonium, a cationic detergent widely used in the preparation of hair conditioner. This is used in the preparation of hair conditioner. Okay, cetyl trimethyl ammonium is a cationic widely used in preparation of hair conditioner. Biodegradable detergents which do not cause water pollution can be prepared by. Okay, so biodegradable detergent which do not cause water pollution can be branch chain hydrocarbon wrong, branch chain hydrocarbon with low molecular wrong, branch chain hydrocarbon with high molecular mass wrong. So that is biodegradable detergent which do not cause water pollution can be prepared by using unbranched hydrocarbon, unbranched. So that is none of these is correct. The main constituent of Dettol is, that is chloroxylenol and terpenol. The main constituent of Dettol is chloroxylenol and terpenol. Option number 4 is correct, A and B. The main constituent of Dettol is chloroxylenol and terpenol. Rentidine is an antacid, is classified on the basis of pharmacological effect. Okay, rentidine is antacid classified on the basis of pharmacological effect. The chemical name of salvarsan is chemical name of salvarsan is arsphenamine. Option number the chemical name of salvarsan is arsphenamine. Which of the following is structure of vironal? Okay, so structure of vironal, correct option is option number 1, that you have to memorize vironal structures. Generally, cold drinks are served in the chilled condition. Generally, cold drinks are served in the chilled condition because of added sucralose become unstable at cold drink temperature. Okay, so cold drinks are served in the chilled condition because there is the sucralose is added, which is unstable, okay, at cooking temperature. Generally, which of the following are used as a food preservative? So table salt, sugar, sodium benzoate, all are being used as a food preservative. The type of force involved in holding drugs to the active site of enzyme is van der Waals force of attraction. The drugs which can relieve depression is, that is iprionazide. Iprionazide is a mental relieving depression. Now, the product which is produced by the action of stearic acid, polyethylene glycol is used as a liquid dishwashing detergent. So this is being used as a liquid dishwashing detergent. The product, they are saying, the product which is produced by the action of stearic acid and polyethylene glycol is used for liquid dishwashing detergents. Option number 1 is correct. Next one, the target molecular for the drug is, that is nucleic acid. The target molecular for the drug is nucleic acid. The important byproduct in the manufacture of soap is, that is the important byproduct in the manufacture of the soap is glycerin. Okay, so next one, biethanol is generally added to the soap as an addition to function as. Biethanol is generally added to the soap as an addition to function as, that is antiseptic. So biethanol function is antiseptic. Next one, among the following antihistamine is, that is diphenhydrazine is antiseptic. So antihistamine is bromophenaramine. So that will comes under the diphenyramine. Option number 1 is sodium sulfate sulfonated long chain alcohols are anionic detergent. That is memory based question. Sodium sulfate sulfonated long chain alcohol hydrocarbons are called anionic detergent. Okay. Sodium sulfate sulfonated long chain alcohol hydrocarbon are called, that is, anionic detergent. Quaternary ammonium salt are amines which with acetates chloride bromides are called. Quaternary ammonium salt amines with acetate chloride bromides are called cationic detergent. Next one, which of the following is not an antibiotic? That is, oxytocin is not an antibiotic. Okay, this is the oxytocin is produced something lactation, for the lactation process are producing milk. Tincture of iodine is alcohol solution of I2. Alcohol solution of I2 is tincture of iodine. So tincture of iodine is alcohol solution of I2. 2-acetoxy-benzoic acid is used as 2-acetoxy-benzoic acid is used as antipyretic. 2-acetoxy-benzoic acid is used as antipyretic. Okay, so 2-acetotic benzoic acid aspirin is used as a antipyretic. Which of the following enhance the lathering property of soap? That is sodium rosinate. Sodium rosinate. Which of the following enhance the lathering property of soap is sodium rosinates. Next one, sodium rosinate enhance the lathering property of soap. Arsphenamine is used in the treatment of syphilis. Okay, arsphenamide is used in the preparation of syphilis. So arsphenamine is used in the treatment of syphilis. So this is all about the 45 questions, students, from the chemistry in everyday life. This type of question they ask generally in the NEET and JEE exam. So you can go through it. If you find this video helpful, you can like and subscribe my channel, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.